It's very rare that I have leftover pizza, but I'm going to show you the best way to reheat pizza using your air fryer. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you've seen the video title, I'm going to show you how I reheat pizza using the air fryer. Like I've said, this is very rare of me to have leftover pizza, but I'm going to show you a simple way to use your air fryer instead of heating up your oven. We're going to be using our air fryer first. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and get your air fryer turned on. And so we're going to be air frying it at 350. So if you're able to change your temp, you're going to go ahead and change this to 350 Fahrenheit. You'll go ahead and hit start, and you're going to let that preheat. Possibly 30 minutes to an hour, depending on how much time you have. You want to take out your pizza out of the fridge and let it, somewhat get to room temp. And so that's what I've done with these slices here. It's going to be 3 slices into the air fryer. So we're going to go ahead and let this preheat. Once it beeps and says to add, then we're going to add these in there. And we're cooking about 3 to 5 minutes. And you want to kind of just keep an eye on it. And depending on, how you want it, that's when you'll take it out. So we'll be back. All right, so it's saying to add the slices in, and so we'll go ahead and put the plate down there, and we're placing these slices. You want to give it some room to breathe, and so we're gonna try 2 for right now and see if this is gonna work. Slices are pretty big, but actually let's go with 3. And so we're going to go ahead and put those in there, and like I said, 3 to 5 minutes is what you're looking at. We're going to do about 3 minutes. We'll come back, take a look to see how that is, and then if we need to go longer, then of course you will, but 3 minutes, so we'll be back. All right, so we went a little longer than the normal 3 minutes. Crust sounds really nice. Cheese is bubbling, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. I think anything longer will fortunately burn it. So let's go ahead and take these slices out. You can see that little cheese pull action there. Feels nice and toasty. See that cheese is melting. Get some of these toppings off. All right, so I'm gonna give it just a couple seconds. We'll let it cool down, and then we'll be back. All right, so it's cooled down just a little bit. Let's take a listen to this crust. Nice and crispy. And so this was probably around 3.5, close to 4 minutes or so at 350. Again, play around with it, see what works for you. But as you can see, sounds good, it smells good. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. Again, this is the easiest way to reheat pizza in an air fryer if you don't want to use your oven. Amazing results every time. Play around with it. If you want to go higher or lower in temp, that is up to you. 350 is perfect. The toppings are nice and warm. Cheese is bubbling. I'm gonna go ahead and get to this and eat this. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my Instagram at The Pizza Guy John, and we'll talk soon.